one is big.
Yeah, this is rice and hamno soup. Yes.
Guess what? Today we are in the Gambian market, one of the local markets, and we are here to buy food. We are going to cook
Tangy.
tangy. Yes, we are tangy. The food we are going to cook is one food.
Good morning. How are you? Yeah. From where? Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone.
Today I was invited by my Gambian family and we are going to preparing Ebbeh. Ebbeh is actually a local food here in the Gambia. It's like all sort of seafood. I've never tried something like this before and I'm eager to actually try it.
What is the name? Banga. In Wolof.
Before then, we had to buy the ingredients we'll be needing for this seafood. While I was accompanied by my friend to come and buy the ingredient. This dry fish, and then we need that. We got this for $30.
Which type of fish is this one?
Bubulabo. It's a cat. This is called catfish.
Catfish. The other one is dry fish.
Yes. So, but this one also they smoke it.
Fish was going for $200, which was off our budget, so we had to go to another vendor to look for something moderate. And my friend is actually good in pricing.
Which one are we taking?
We're taking this one. It has more,
Fish.
sometimes the
Yes,
head.
yes.
And
she's giving to us $70.
yes, she agreed. She said 80. Then she said okay 70. Then I said no, but
Another ingredient we'll be going for is willing, that is cooked, but they have a different name they call it here in the Gambia.
Samo 25. Okay, $100 to us.
$25.
Yes, one sam.
What do people call it?
Cow kanda.
Cow kanda.
Like animal skin.
5.
95 no.
You give us $5 and we need to drink water. It's $10 you guys need to drink water.
Beautiful people. Yeah.
I know shrimp also costs that much here, especially fresh one. So we got this for $300, but we had to go in for another one over here that cost about $100.
I want a big.
Available
This $100. $100.
Ebbeh 6 killing 600.
How much? $600.
Nara 300
What is this one?
Boso. Ikan punya adil from Manila. Nanya. Boso. Local.
What exactly it is?
The one that I want is the one coming from the oyster. Lapa killing the man.
And how much is it?
$50. Honey.
This is lemon.
It's the same lemon.
And this one is how much?
50.
$50.
And this one it's
Yeah, palm nut.
you know that.
You also have palm nut here.
A lot.
Wow. So first of all, they will peel the cassava and then they will cut it small. Oh, okay. So what do you call it?
Ebbeh.
Ebbeh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's you can also say it as a cassava porridge.
Cassava porridge.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But in our local language, it's called Ebbeh.
Ebbeh. So guys, we are going to wash the cassava, right? So we will not remove these ones. We'll put all of them together. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so we've put in our cassava on fire. It's going to boil to become very soft.
Okay.
I have to come and pound it.
Okay. This one, the local language, what do you call it?
Crapu.
Chapu. Okay. So this is crapu. The fish. Remove the skin. We are done with the small fish. Yeah, I think this is yeah. Is this smoked one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's a smoked one.
Smoked catfish.
So because it's going to Ebbeh, it shouldn't be like that big. We're going to make it a small one. Sometimes when you go to the market, you have the small one. It's more cool for Ebbeh.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to put it in the smoked fish. Yeah. Just next to it. They will go there together. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. We are not going to use this one. Oh, okay. This one, it's waste. We are not going to use it. Okay. Be using. Yeah, this one will be using.
When the cover is there, you just throw it in. It boil with it, then you remove it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, but as far as now, she removed the cover. I think we wait until when this
Okay.
the cassava boil.
Let's see, it's already boiling. Okay. Our cassava is still boiling. So, we found the pepper. So, this is tamarind.
Yeah, this tamarind.
Okay.
And then I'll put lime.
Okay.
And then the pepper that you palm. I'll
We are
also
going to put the pepper inside.
Yeah,
inside.
to mix it.
Okay.
So I mix it and then leave it a bit until before we the cassava will be done. So I'll cover it.
Okay.
Then it will go inside. But right now, just want everything to be mixed. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me clean it up. Sometimes you wash it thoroughly, because sometimes it has some sands.
Okay.
So yeah, we're going to put it here.
Side the tamarind water.
Yeah, it's a choice.
It's a choice.
Yeah.
Okay. time for us. £2. Just one. Sige. So you pound it till it become. You will not see the ball again.
We will just leave small in it.
Small.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But the first batch, we have to powder-thin it all with. Let me have. Like this one is almost even ready. Because when you palm it until it's well palmed, it gives it the thickness.
Okay.
Yeah. For you them first batch. So I found what I have. I'll give you. Now we're going to put some of the ingredients like palm oil
Okay.
and the crab, so that the palm oil will be boiled in.
Okay.
It is cooked. I put it on.
So when you're done, you don't cover it. You leave it.
Boil it. Yeah, we leave it until the palm oil have itself. Then we will put the rest of the ingredients.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a boiled shrimp.
Yeah. It seems like I have to add the palm oil a bit. It's gonna be, it's not that right.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are going to be adding it.
Huh. So everything the turmeric mixture.
Yeah.
Nka diam nyine. Sa mat ni bara ngi ko. Iyo. No okay. Suru ada. Ni pon ko yele ya.
The fish.
Yeah.
So how many minutes are we going to leave it?
This time is almost prayer time.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to pray then.
Okay.
By the time we are coming, let's say in 7 minutes, so everything will be well cooked. Because you know we added palm oil a bit,
Yes.
so the palm oil should be well cooked.
Okay.
So let's say 7 minutes. It's just boil a bit up. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. That's limes.
Yeah.
You can see this is how we eat in the Gambia with family. Everyone sits around. This is rice and kamno soup. I think I have to also use my hand.
Oh. Apa boleh kuntal na tele mu.
Amante. Dale cool.
Hello. 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 Nah. Ndiyan.
So I'll make it for you here because you say you don't want much, right?
Yes. It's time to taste the ebbeh.
Yeah.
It's enough.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So we have it. It's traditional food.
So we are going to taste this and give review. So we have crab. Yes, there's shrimp inside and fish. In fact, everything seafood. Everything you can find in the sea is here. And there's pepper. Yes, for we like pepper. So, first bite goes to you people. What? Start for me.
It's very delicious. Trust me.
This one is evening food for the family. They mostly eat it in the evening. So, put in the shrimp.
This is very nice.
Wish me the best. If I finish, I'll show you guys.
So the pepper was not hot.